In this video, we discuss map styles in Google Earth Web. This video was made possible by AmericaView, VirginiaView, the Virginia Cooperative Extension, Colorado Mesa University, and Virginia Tech's College of Natural Resources and Environment. Funding for this project was provided by the United States Geological Survey under grant number G14AP00002. The contents of this video and the related written tutorial are solely the responsibility of the authors and do not represent the official views of the U.S. Geological Survey. Mention of trade names or commercial products does not constitute their endorsement by the United States government. This video accompanies Section 2.2 in Chapter 2 of a written tutorial titled Exploring Our Planet with Open Source Software. You can find the written tutorial at virginiaview.cnre.vt.edu/education or at americaview.org/exploringourplanet. Let's start by entering the Google Earth Web site. If you recall, in the upper right left-hand corner of the window is an icon called Menu. Click on this icon. You will notice that one of the options is called Map Style. Now, just for reference, we are zoomed in to Paris, France. So if you'd like to do a search first so that your window looks exactly like mine do in the next few screenshots, go ahead and search for Paris, France. Once you're zoomed in, then go ahead and click on Map Style. Once you've clicked on Map Style, what you get is a dialog box with 4 different options as far as maps are concerned. Now you say, what do you mean maps? Because I'm looking at Google Earth, which is maps, right? Remember, Google Earth Web is a GIS. What you're going to be doing is overlaying different map options on top of your aerial image. So let's start. Click on the first one. First map style is called Clean. Clean is no borders, no labels, no places, nor roads. Basically, what it gives you is a clean map without any overlays. You can see in your map document window, you can see Paris. There are no labels. You can see the river that runs through Paris, but nothing obscures your aerial view of the window. Let's click on Exploration. Exploration has overlaid several items in your map document window. It's given you borders, labels, places, and some roads. So if this is the view you would like when you're creating your map, this would be the option that you'd use. Let's move on. Everything. This one is kind of junky, and when you're zoomed in at this extent to Paris, there might be a little bit too much information to use this option. This might be one of those options that you use when you're zoomed out at maybe the continent level. You have to explore to see how much overlaid you want and how much you want to see the detail in the aerial images. But again, everything means just that. All borders, labels, places, roads, transit, landmarks, water. Paris has got a lot of important landmarks, so this may not be the option that you want to use. Let's look at the last option. The last option is called Custom. And when you click on Custom, you actually don't see the map example like you did in the other few options. It actually has a list of labels that you can choose. And in all likelihood, this is going to be the option that you will use when creating your maps because you're customizing your map for the individual purpose that you intend. Right now, what you see is there's labels, there's some roads, there's some landmarks, and there's some water. All you need to do is just click on the check mark next to the label. In the instance with borders and labels, you can expand so you have additional information. If you have any questions with regards to this video or the accompanying written tutorial, please contact Dr. Tammy Parise at Colorado Mesa University or Dr. James Campbell at Virginia Tech. The email addresses are shown on the screen.